Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here again. Some more stuff in stock. Got a lot of these in for Black Friday. There's no deals on them, just so you know, but they are in stock. So I've got some of these other ones in stock. But what we're looking at here is the Accord mounts for the 10th gen Accord. You've got your upper mount, which goes on the passenger side of the engine, and you've got your rear mount that goes on the oil pan. We actually are the only company that have the custom anodized red ones. You can look at these. These usually take a 4-month wait right now, I would say. We've got 4 sets left. They're on our website. You can buy them. It's a bundle deal. It's rear and upper together. These ones you can buy separate. I've got about 10 sets of those in stock. So yeah. This basically gets rid of the wheel hop that you have experience on launching, the shuddering in first gear, the when you're launching the car. Helps keep it planted. They do get a little bit of vibration in the cabin, especially with the Axion, but we kind of love that feeling. They're definitely beautiful on the car. I recommend get the red ones while they last. These won't last long. Anyways, thanks for checking out the video. You can order, I'll leave a link below. Like and subscribe. Till next time.